Hey, good morning. I figured out the perspective on the camera, which is a great thing, but also thought about something else this morning. Woke up incredibly dehydrated, which was weird because I bet I drank about 20 gallons of water yesterday. But as I thought about it, getting ready for the morning, I realized that yes, I did drink plenty of water, all the water I should have drank, but I also drank a lot of other stuff. A lot of tea, and a lot of coffee, which are, which they will push the waters out of your system. But as I thought about that, I thought about life in general, right? We do a lot of the stuff we're supposed to do. We read the things we're supposed to read. We watch what we're supposed to watch. We listen to what we're supposed to listen to, and we approach that like as a vitamin. And we think, okay, that's good. I got that done. But the reality is, we also put a lot of stuff in us, a lot of stuff in our lives that pull us down, that tear us down, that take our thoughts and our peace and our rest, and cause us to be tired, exhausted, distracted, torn. Right, that's a good word. Feeling like that we're going 1,000 different directions at one time, when that was never the plan for our lives. The plan for our lives really was a plan for peace, right? Even when we have the challenges, even when we have the struggles, even when we have the chaos and the storms, there's still a peace that's there, and we have access to the source of that peace, right? The plan for our lives was one where we actually wake up in the morning excited about the morning, where we go to bed at night excited about going to sleep at night, knowing that we're going to be refreshed and restored and renewed and re-energized. But the reality is, we spend a lot of our nights tossing and turning and fretting and worrying and I don't know, some nights just for no reason at all, just sweating, right? And just trying to figure out what in the world is going on. But we're trying to push through, and sheer willpower is being employed to try to get us to where it is that we need to go. And the answer is much, much more simple than that, right? It is about unhooking, right? Turning off the mind, turning off the thoughts. I mean, last night I wrote. I was writing a book one of my books I'm doing on trust right now, and so I wrote and edited until right at bedtime. So when I went to try to go to sleep, that's all I could think about was what I was trying to edit, or what I'd been editing, what I'd been writing, and I kept rewriting in my head. And wisdom would have told me to back off earlier, let everything settle down, let my mind disengage and go. But I was so caught up in the passion of it. Today, you're going to get caught up in the passion of something that you're doing. You're going to get caught up in the passion of someone you're around, or something you're watching, or something you're listening to, or something that you're ingesting. But I want to caution you to step back, breathe, use wisdom, understand that yes, there's a momentary push and a drive to get that done, and you're going to feel that imperative that says, I have to get this done no matter what. But you're in control. You're in control. And you have a partnership with a God who loves you, who has given you all authority, all power, who has given you the ability to be in control of these things, so that force within you decides your path, decides the investment of your time and of your energy and of your resources and of your body, and not that sort of outward pressures that are going to do nothing but steal your joy, kill the energy, and try to steal that life from you. Today's a good day. Today's a great day. Just remember, you and God, you got this.